Welcome back to SK Engineering. Fencing cost for my garden measurement given below. The garden size is provided. The right side is 29.8 meters slash 98 feet. Left side is 29.2 meter slash 96 feet. The top side is 11.6 meter slash 38 feet. 5.4 meters 78 feet. Now my bill of materials: fencing post 50 numbers, fencing post transportation 1 lump sum, fencing post downloading 1 post, 3-inch fence with fencing roll material 400 feet length into 5 feet height, that is actually 2000 square feet, GI wire 2.5 mm thickness 4 kilograms, GI wire 1.6 mm thickness kilograms 6. Transporting of fencing material 1 lot, labor 4 people into 3 days, man day 12 man days, M sand 2 ton, jelly 3/4 size 2 ton, cement 1 lot, measuring thread 1 number 1 lot, breakfast, cool drink, refreshment charges. So my total cost is 54,631.